Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button, like, comment, and share.
The 870DM is a concept that came about during a discussion as a group when we started talking about how can we advance the pump action shotgun in some way. When you start dissecting its abilities, most experts agree that the pump shotgun is one of the most reliable and versatile defensive shotguns we have today.
We fired over 100,000 rounds during development of this product to ensure it would be perfect when we release it to the market. We tested the guns with over 25 different shot shell types so that we could be confident they would work with anything our customers would want to shoot through them.
Essentially, the 870DM is the same tried and true 870 you've always known. It's the same solid steel receiver, twin action bars, unequaled strength and reliability, only now it's available with a very high quality detachable magazine setup for even greater versatility.
Trusted by military, law enforcement, security professionals, and enthusiasts across the globe for its rugged, efficient design and reliable cycling when it's needed most. Introducing the Mossberg 590S short shell compatible shotgun. Highly adaptable, the 590S will chamber 1 3/4 inch, 2 3/4 inch,
and inside the barrel. The Supernova is rock solid to the core and can be customized for the individual shooter. Included with every Supernova is a shim kit for precise fit. Incorporated into the Supernova receiver is a spacious trigger guard, ridge-style checkering, an ergonomically designed forend to provide a solid grip, wet or dry. Also incorporated into the forend is a button that will allow users to unload a round from the chamber without releasing shells from the magazine tube. Chambered to fit 2 3/4 inch, 3 inch, and even 3.5 inch Magnum turkey loads, this new pump can do it all. Weighing only 7 pounds, something had to be done about the recoil. The Supernova tames recoil with Benelli's Comfort Tech system. that cuts recoil as much as 52% over other pump guns. The Supernova is available in 3 separate stock configurations: ComfortTech, ComfortTech with Steady Grip, and with a collapsible stock for law enforcement. Trusted.
Thanks for watching. Product buying links are given in the video description.